Good Lord, I gotta back way up just to get this thing in the picture. Hello, friends. Today, this is an outside detail. We're doing a 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. This is one very big pickup. This is going to be an interior and exterior. So let me first kind of show you some of the exterior. It's got some bugs and stuff. But the paint is looking great. We're going to get those cleaned up. And we are also going to take care of the bed. And when we do the exterior, there's some stuff on the tailgate there. And he wants me to work on this seat. It's got a bunch of gunk on it. I've got the light going so that you guys are able to see. It's pretty dusty. You know, obviously we're not going to mess with any of the personal items, but we'll blow it out and get it looking a lot better. Now this is what you call a mega cab. I've never seen one, but they are pretty big. There's a lot of foot room there. Look at that. And the man who drives this, he's really, really tall. So his seat, it sits all the way back. Anyway, these seats look good. This seat looks really good. Okay, so it is Friday night. I don't normally work late, but with a job like this, it does take quite a bit of time, especially if it's just me. So I've called in help. And she'll be here in just a little while. But I think we'll be able to get the interior done tonight. And then tomorrow, we're going to give it a foam wash. We're going to go all out with this one. I think it's the best thing to do because there is a lot of vehicle and there's a lot of parts to it that we want to make sure that we're getting. Plus, we have the bed to clean out. So, I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be a long one, but that's okay. So, as I said, I called in help. I called my daughter, Tori, who has done videos with me detailing. If you haven't seen those are on my channel. Tori is a little more familiar. Usually, I would have my grandson, Caden, come and help me. However, Caden got back into football this year. He was set to start the school year, his junior year, playing football. And just about 3 weeks into practices, he tore his ACL. So he just had surgery the other day. He's doing okay, but he's on no weight bearing for quite a while, and he's going to be out of commission. So if I need help, I'll just have to call those who are a little more familiar with it, but that's okay. It's all going to be back normal soon enough. Anyway, let's get on with the detail. Alrighty, friends, so the interior of this pickup is done. It took us about 3.5 hours, and it was a challenge. I will say minivans are the worst to detail, but pickup trucks are a real close second. There's so many nooks and crannies, there's so much to it. It can be a little bit of a challenge, especially for somebody my height, having to climb in and out and back and forth and try and reach, and it can get a little bit crazy. And I'm going to feel it when this detail is done also. So I just want to say a real quick thank you to my daughter Tori for helping me out, and thank you all for being here on my channel. You know I appreciate you and your support, and that will never change.
It's big old truck.
My head. I'm not even as tall as this mirror.